Good evening, my dear student. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome in my channel, Chemistry Wala Anand sir. This is chapter number 4, structure of the atom, and this is the class of chemistry, class 9. In 19, we are discussing today the new topic, that is the neutron. In 1932, J. Chadwick scientist discovered another subatomic particle. Which had no charge and a mass nearly equal to that of a proton. In 1932, J. Chadwick discovered another subatomic particle which had no charge and a mass nearly equal to that of a proton. It was eventually named as neutron. The name was given by J. Chadwick, that is the neutron. Neutrons are present in the nucleus of all atoms except hydrogen. In hydrogen, no neutrons are present. In general way, a neutron is represented as the mass of an atom. The mass of an atom is therefore given by the sum of the masses of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. So if you are going to calculate the mass of an atom, therefore it is given by the sum of the masses of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus. So this is all about. Just look at the video. After that we start the NCERT questions. After that we are going to start the NCERT questions. So my dear students, let us understand it in a clear and broader way. The NCERT questions, I am also giving you the NCERT solution. So my dear students, let us start this in a very simple way. Start in a very simple way. So the NCERT questions. The NCERT questions of NCERT, page number 49. Page number this is 49. NCERT questions of page number 49. We already discussed the questions of according to the J.J. Thomson effect and all the Rutherford model of atom. The NCERT questions yesterday. But right now we are going to discuss the NCERT question on the basis of neutron and all the things. So let us understand these things in the clear concept. The NCERT questions. Questions of NCERT. NCERT questions. NCERT based questions. Page number. This is also page number 49. So let us discuss the question number 1 at first. The question number 1 wants to tell. What is the question number 1? Name the 3 subatomic particle of an atom. Name the 3 subatomic particles of an atom. 3 subatomic particles of an atom. What are the 3 subatomic particles of an atom? The 3 subatomic particles of an atom are answer is very easy answer. Electrons, protons and neutrons. The 3 subatomic particles of an atom are what? Protons, electrons and neutrons. Proton is a positive, so we can write here protons. Second is electrons. And third is neutrons. The next question we are going to discuss. Question number 2. So the answer is name the 3 subatomic particles of an atom. The 3 subatomic particles of an atom are protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons, electrons and neutrons. What about the question number 2? Helium atom has an atomic mass. Helium atom has an atomic mass. Helium atom has an atomic mass of 4u and 2 proton and 4u and 4u. U is the symbol of atomic mass, UO, and 2 proton in its nucleus and 2 protons in its nucleus. How many neutrons does it have? How many neutrons? How many neutrons does it have? How many neutrons does it have? So that the question number of neutrons is equal to answer. Number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass minus number of protons. Atomic mass minus number of protons. So we are going to write therefore the number of neutrons. Therefore the number of neutrons in the atom equal to 4 minus 2. In the atom is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 equal to 2. So there is the helium has an atomic mass. Helium has an atomic mass of 4u and the 2 protons in its nucleus. How many neutrons does it have? So number of neutrons is equal to atomic mass minus number of protons. So my dear student, therefore the number of neutrons in the atom is equal to 4 and there are 2 protons. 4 and there is 2 protons, there is the answer 2. So my dear student, let us understand this question is a very simple and easy step. This is Surya Anand, chemistry teacher. Welcome channel chemistry wala answer. Give more views, likes and share and don't skip the video. Subscribe my channel. Thank you all of you. Take care.
उसका दूल्हा ले जाएगा अपना। हाँ